To automate Authorize.net hosted payment form, you need to understand the basics of payment gateway integration and the specific requirements of Authorize.net. Start by setting up an Authorize.net account and obtaining an API login ID and transaction key. These credentials are necessary for authenticating your requests to the Authorize.net platform. Next, choose the type of hosted payment form you want to automate, such as the simple order form or the advanced order form. Each type has its own set of features and limitations, so select the one that best suits your business needs. To automate the hosted payment form, you will need to use the Authorize.net API to generate a token that redirects the customer to the payment form. You can do this by sending a request to the Authorize.net API with the required parameters, such as the transaction amount and the customer's email address. Once the customer completes the payment form, Authorize.net will redirect them back to your website with a token that represents the transaction. You can then use this token to complete the transaction and retrieve the payment details. To ensure a seamless integration, make sure to handle errors and exceptions properly, and implement security measures such as encryption and secure token storage. You should also test your integration thoroughly to ensure that it works as expected. Best practices for automating Authorize.net hosted payment form include using a secure protocol for communication, validating customer input, and keeping your API credentials secure. By following these steps and best practices, you can automate your Authorize.net hosted payment form and provide a secure and convenient payment experience for your customers. In terms of code implementation, you can use programming languages such as PHP, Java, or Python to interact with the Authorize.net API. The Authorize.net website provides sample code and documentation to help you get started with the integration process. Overall, automating Authorize.net hosted payment form requires a good understanding of payment gateway integration and the specific requirements of Authorize.net. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using best practices, you can successfully automate your payment form and improve the payment experience for your customers.